Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I am going to be introducing a curly bundle series. I'm still brainstorming, but more than likely it's going to be the curly bundle series. You'll see it here. And basically what this series will be is me doing some easy manipulation type hairstyles with the use of curly bundles. Now if you're natural, you can utilize this. If you're growing your hair out and you have just spare bundles, you can utilize this. But pretty much what motivated me to do this was I was just really tired of wigs. If you follow me on TikTok, I have been doing like a lot of wig installs and reviews, and I haven't necessarily been gluing my hair down because I've been getting a lot of glueless wigs, but I'm just not a wig girl. I'm not. But you know, I've been doing it for the sake of just growing my channel, getting collaborations, partnerships, whatever, so on and so forth. And hopefully you guys enjoy this series. It might stretch a matter of a month, a week, a year, who knows.
Alright y'all, so today's style is basically just going to be a regular curly ponytail, but we're going to add a little twist to it by adding 2 braids diagonal across the front of our hair. So as you can see, I'm just combing through my hair, really just making sure to get all the kinks out. I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and that's pretty much what we're doing. So we're parting out diagonally. I start kind of like in the middle from my nose, a little bit over by my right eyebrow from where I'm looking, and just make sure that's straight. And it really doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, just make sure it's straight. The part goes all the way down to the top of my ear on the opposite side, just making sure that it's wide enough. You of course adjust this parting according to how thick or fine your hair is. I feel like my hair is a little bit on the finer side. I think I would consider it high density, but still fine. I don't know. But yeah, so I did have to part a little bit thicker, I would say, just so the braid doesn't look skimpy. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side as well. And just really making sure, you know, they're kind of similar, but they don't have to fully connect, as you'll see once we go on the other side. The other braid is kind of a little bit further back from the original parting, which is okay because, girl, whatever. So I'm going in with my gummy edge control. I got this off Amazon. All of these products will probably be linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to check them out. But this is a really good edge control. I normally use Even. Even is one of my other favorites as well. But I've really been digging this gummy edge control because it doesn't leave a residue. It's really easy to work with. It smells good. And it actually has a pretty good hold for it to be Amazon product. But Amazon has kind of proven itself to be really reliable at this point. So yeah, here the girls really need. And I'm pretty much, for the next few minutes, I'm going to be braiding my hair down. So I'll let you guys tune in to the music and enjoy.
They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. Say I'm so crazy, baby. the sky.
Okay, so on this part specifically, this is I guess would be the trickiest part, but it's really not tricky at all. You take a thin piece from the bundle. If you're not using the bundle, disregard. But you take a thin piece from the bundle and you wrap it around the base of your ponytail. This is going to keep it attached while you wrap it around, and it's going to help keep it in place. So once you finish wrapping that, you're going to wrap the bundle in the opposite direction of which you wrap the little strand. So this is kind of going to provide attention to where it's a balance. So you attach it with one direction and then you form the ponytail in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. I hope that I explained it well. I'm more of a visual person, so I hope that me doing it on camera is helping you guys understand what I mean by that. And you're pretty much going to continue to do that until the very end. And you'll see shortly, I take another little piece and wrap it in the direction that I wrap the ponytail to kind of seal the ponytail. This, I promise you y'all, I've done it so many times. I've never had any issues. As long as you're wrapping those pieces of hair tight enough around the base of your ponytail and you're wrapping in at the base and you're not going up, you should be good and it should stay in place easily. As you can see, I'm styling and pulling and it's not coming off my head. I promise you guys, this is the easiest way to do like a quick ponytail. You can even do this with regular straight bundles. It don't have to be kinky curly, but with me growing my hair out, I love these styles. It's so easy to do, especially if I'm in between styles. So y'all, this is pretty much the final look. I'm just doing edges to complete it. This probably took no more than 15 minutes in real time. It's so easy, convenient, and it doesn't take a scientist. Okay, so I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and really just stay tapped into this series. I really feel like it's gonna help the girlies with these winter months coming up. And yeah, we baddies on a budget, Dookie. Yeah.